Hey, what's up guys, it's me Alexis back again with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be installing and reviewing this hair from NiKiss hair. I was contacted by this company to try this hair and it is an Amazon company, so here's another bomb Amazon wig for you guys. So in the box we have the hair, and the hair is in this blue bag. We have an elastic band, and then we have a wig cap, which comes with 2 wig caps in one package. So as you can see, I already started with the ball cap method because I wasn't sure if I was actually going to film me installing the hair, but I decided that I was going to. So I already started with the ball cap method. The hair is 8 inches, 150 density, and is the free part, short, deep curly bob, Brazilian lace front wig, pre-plucked natural hairline with baby hairs. This is the construction of the cap, the inside. It looks very nice actually. I'm very impressed with it. And this is the lace. I'm not sure what type of lace this is, but as you can see it's pretty light, and you can like see my skin straight through it. I didn't bleach the knots. I just used concealer to basically fake bleach the knots. And here is me putting on the wig just to try it out and see what it looks like, you know, get a feel for it. I also ended up not plucking it. I didn't really feel it was needed, although I could have plucked it to make it look more natural, but I just honestly didn't feel like it, and I didn't really feel it was needed, and I'm okay with it not looking 100% natural because obviously it's not my hair. So now I'm just going in with my Ghost Bond glue and just putting some dots and, you know, just blending it in so that I can get a nice thin even layer of adhesive so that I can place my wig. So a lot of YouTubers I've seen do like 3-4 layers, but I found that I tend to do a lot of glue so my layers don't dry as much, so I only do 2 layers, and that's perfectly fine with me. You know, if it pulls up I could just add more glue and, you know, stick it back down, but 2 layers works great for me. So while waiting for the glue to dry, I ended up washing the wig with the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner. Right now I'm just brushing it out with my Denman brush, And then I added some mousse to it while it was on my mannequin head, just to get a little bit of the curl pattern going. And now I'm just placing the wig on the glue and, you know, making sure that it's nice and stuck so that it does not come up. So now we're just pushing our hair all the way to the back so that way we can put our edge scarf on so that we can melt this lace and make it look a little more natural and make it look like it's growing from my scalp. So now I'm just applying the Herbal Essences Stronghold Mousse just to get the curl pattern popping again, because I was going for the wet look but not necessarily the full extent of the wet look. So I'm just adding a little more mousse. So now that I've parted my hair, added more mousse and styled it, I'm just going to go in with the Murray's Edge Wax to do my baby hairs. Alright guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you guys liked this video and this look. I absolutely love this hair, and I'll leave the link to it in my description box. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!